Thank you for coming back to Polka Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am unboxing for you my Erin Condren surprise winter box. This is a seasonal box. This is the 2018 surprise box, and I thought I would do something a little different for you guys today and just share with you a little bit of some of the things that I order. So the first thing that I see in this box is she designed a life she loved, which is an appropriate mug for me, considering that my career is all about design. And as well, there's a candle. Oh wow, it smells really nice. The scent is not on the bottom. It probably says in here what the scent is. Oh, it says right here. So it just says an exclusive Celebrate candle. So the mug and the candle are two things that you can buy in the store, but you can't order off their website. So that smells really pretty. This box was $35, and it included shipping. That was in the US. So if you ship to Canada, where I live, you had to pay for shipping, and there was tax and stuff on it as well. So these gold paper clips are very nice. They feel really light, but this would be a really fun clip to use to make like a banner tag, like embellishment. That'd be fun. It comes with these designer metallic markers. So let's give these a try and see how they write. Oh, that's interesting. It opens up like a pen, but it's a marker. They write nice. Seems strange to have a marker that's like, oh, I see it's sealed. It is sealed in there. So they write nice. Yeah, that's pretty. I'll get good use out of those. The silver has more of a metallic finish than the gold one does, but they're still pretty. Perhaps I'll store them in my new pen holder. Maybe that's what I'll use that for. I don't really need another mug, and I would prefer that the products that come in this box be all like stationery type products, because I already subscribe to other lifestyle type boxes, and so I get mugs and candles and things in them, so I'd rather that all the stuff that came in these was focused on stationery. So this is the Jot Your Thought. 1 year equals 365 opportunities. I really like that. So this can go in their new on-the-go folio, or you could just use it as a notebook like it is. I can never have too many notebooks, so I'm happy for that. Some gift tag stickers, perfectly timed for the holidays. Handmade with love. Oh, that's perfect for any handmade gifts that I give out. And then these stickers. Some metallic star stickers, and then some gold stickers with different sayings. So as far as the exclusive items go, the holiday labels are exclusive. The petite journal is exclusive. The markers are a sneak peek, and the paper clips are a sneak peek. The sticker sheets, these are exclusive. So all these things here are exclusive. You only get them if you order the box. You can no longer order these boxes. So here just shows you what's inside. They'll do this again in the spring. They do them every quarter. And it's a fun little surprise. I'm always happy to get something in the mail. And that's just wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.